What are the future trends and challenges for international human rights law? What are the future trends and challenges for international human rights law? This is a vital question for anyone interested in legal education and specializations. Let's break it down. International human rights law is evolving quickly, and this brings both opportunities and hurdles. One major trend is the complexity and fragmentation of legal frameworks. As new treaties and agreements emerge, the legal landscape becomes more intricate. This can create confusion for legal practitioners. Future efforts may focus on streamlining these laws to improve clarity and enforcement. For example, the European Union is working to harmonize regulations related to sustainability and human rights. Another significant challenge is enforcement and accountability. Many governments do not comply with international human rights standards. In some cases, they actively undermine them. International courts, like the International Criminal Court, play a key role in holding violators accountable. However, their effectiveness can be limited by political factors. Strengthening these accountability mechanisms will be essential for ensuring justice for victims. Technology also plays a dual role in human rights. On one hand, it can lead to privacy violations and surveillance. On the other hand, it can help document abuses and promote rights. Future legal standards will need to address digital rights while balancing security concerns. This area is rapidly changing, and legal professionals must stay informed about both technology and human rights. Climate change is another pressing issue that intersects with human rights law. Environmental degradation threatens fundamental rights such as health and access to clean water. Future human rights law may include stronger protections related to climate justice and sustainable development. This will require knowledge of both environmental law and human rights principles. Businesses are increasingly expected to respect human rights throughout their operations. New laws requiring companies to conduct risk assessments and due diligence. This creates challenges for businesses trying to comply without duplicating efforts. Future focus will likely be on improving the efficiency of these assessments to ensure they lead to real improvements in human rights. The protection of civil society and human rights defenders is also critical. Activists often face threats in many countries. International bodies emphasize the need to safeguard these individuals. Future challenges will involve ensuring that mechanisms effectively support defenders and that states implement protective recommendations. Geopolitical dynamics present additional challenges. Powerful nations sometimes undermine the international human rights system to serve their interests. Navigating these geopolitical tensions while reinforcing universal human rights norms will be essential. For law students specializing in international human rights, these trends mean developing skills in comparative legal analysis and understanding international institutions. Engaging with multidisciplinary issues like technology and the environment will also be important. Courses focusing on international tribunals, human rights advocacy, and corporate accountability will be particularly relevant. Understanding these future trends and challenges will prepare law students to contribute effectively to the development and enforcement of international human rights law.